Your Social Security earnings record may have errors right now, and those errors could permanently reduce your retirement benefit. Here's how to set up your My Social Security account at SSA.gov and check your record in 2026. Your Social Security benefit is calculated from your highest 35 years of earnings. If a year is missing or listed incorrectly, you receive a lower benefit, permanently. SSA relies on records from employers and the IRS. Errors happen more often than people expect, especially for self-employed workers, people who change jobs frequently, or those who worked under multiple names. Here's everything you can do inside your My Social Security account. You can view your full earnings history going back to your first job. You can get an estimate of your retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. You can download your official Social Security statement as a PDF. You can request a benefit verification letter for loans or housing applications. And you can manage your direct deposit and replace your Medicare card. Here's how to create your account. Step 1. Go to SSA.gov and click Sign In or Create Account. Step 2. Click Create a New Account. Step 3. You'll be redirected to Login.gov or ID.me to verify your identity. Have your Social Security number, a valid email address, and a government-issued ID ready. Step 4. Complete identity verification. This may include a video selfie or answering financial questions. Step 5. Return to SSA.gov and your account is active. Identity verification is done through Login.gov or ID.me, both are government-approved identity services. ID.me may ask for a live selfie and a scan of your driver's license or passport. Login.gov uses a credit check style verification. If you fail online verification, you can request an in-person verification at a Social Security office or a USPS location. Don't give up, the account is worth the extra step. Once inside, click Earnings Record. You'll see every year you've had reported wages or self-employment income, along with the dollar amount. Compare this to your own W-2s or tax returns. If a year is missing or the amount is wrong, that's an error you need to fix. Even small discrepancies can reduce your monthly benefit by $50 or more over decades of retirement. Your Social Security statement shows 3 benefit estimates: your retirement benefit at 62, at your full retirement age, and at 70. It also shows your disability benefit if you became disabled today, and what your family would receive as survivors. Download this as a PDF and keep it with your financial documents. SSA recommends reviewing it once a year. The Benefit Verification Letter, sometimes called a budget letter or proof of income letter, is available instantly through your account. Lenders, housing agencies, and government programs often require this letter. In the past you had to call SSA and wait weeks. Now you log in, click Get a Benefit Verification Letter, and download or print it immediately. It includes your monthly benefit amount, Medicare enrollment status, and any deductions. You can also update your direct deposit information through your account, no need to call or visit an office. Go to Payment Options, enter your bank routing and account number, and changes take effect within 30 to 60 days. You can also request a replacement Medicare card if yours is lost or damaged. It arrives by mail in 7 to 10 business days. Security tip: SSA will never call you, email you, or text you asking for your account credentials or Social Security number. If you receive any communication claiming to be SSA and asking for that information, it is a scam. The only way SSA contacts you proactively is by physical mail to your address on file. Report any suspicious contact at oig.ssa.gov. Set up your My Social Security account today at SSA.gov, check your earnings record, download your statement, and protect your future benefit. Subscribe for more Social Security and Medicare guides every week.